Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another diecast video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. Alright Jelly Beans, I have 3 items here. Well, they're all in boxes, but 2 packages are from Whatnot, and 1 package is from my buddy Viper. His link will be down below, and so will the links for the Whatnot items will be down below. Alright, I will be right back with the first of the boxes. Okay, I am back. The first thing I'm going to show is from my buddy Viper. You alright? The first item is from my buddy Viper. It's from Jurassic Park, but Jurassic Park the Ride, but it's also DuPont. Number 24, Jeff Gordon. It's a bank. I will not be keeping this in the box. I will be taking it out of the box to display it. This is nice and heavy. Movable parts. The hood opens, the trunk opens. It is a bank. Thank you very much to my good friend Viper. Little key down below so you can open the bank. This will go perfect with my 3 other banks that I showed a few months ago. I'm not a NASCAR fan, but hey, it's pretty cool. I like it. Okay. Now, the next is from Gold Flame Diecast. This is a giveaway. His link will be down below. I didn't get a chance to really buy anything from him, because I think they were just about to end their show, so that's why I could not buy anything from Gold Flame. Okay, here we go. This is a giveaway. Every stream I go into, I have an intention on buying something. I don't want to be the one person that likes to go and into somebody's stream for something free. I'm not like that. I like to buy something, and if the person has their shop set up, that would help them out even more, because I like to browse through the shops, and if there's something in the shop that I like, I will buy. Okay, here we go. Nicely packaged giveaway. Oh. There's a Superman. Something to do with Superman. Ooh, this is Ooh, that is nice. Oh my god. Hauling gas. That is really freaking nice. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. That's really sweet. I like this a lot. I'm guessing the van is the Chase down here. I'm not sure, but that is freaking sick. I like this. I like that a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Gold Flame Diecast. Thank you very much. And this one is from the Car Collector. I've featured him before. He has good stuff there in his garage. Very nice setup. His link will be down below. These are probably going to be a lot of fantasy cards. And come on, man. Alright, here we go. You're just as bad with the tape as my father was on Christmas. Woo! Okay, here we go. Here we go. These are sitting in my car for a minute. About over a week or so. Oh. Here is Mad Props. I don't know what it says under there. Factory sealed. These are factory sealed. Here is the Hollinator. Factory sealed. This is from 2015. Here is Project Speeder. These are all Factory sealed. HW Papa Wheelie. Pretty cool. Super Blitzen. These are all fantasy cars. Nerve Hammer. Invader. Super Blitzen. Forward Speed. And Clear Speeder. Okay. Okay. I did buy 10 fantasies and I got one free premium. And the premium is in here. Here is a 1991 Mazda MX-5. It's a Mazda Miata. Getting the tape off. I got this for free from all of the fantasy cars I bought. I'm not a JDM person. The reason why I picked this is because I don't think I like the other thing either. So I like this a little more. But I'm not a JDM person. But thank you very much, car collector. That's why I was asking about the GMC Cyclone or was it the Typhoon? Whatever one is the GMC Jimmy version of the S10 Blazer. That's what I was asking about that. But here is my Mazda Miata, and this is the show. And believe me, I am grateful for what I got. It was a free premium. I don't know how much these things go for in the store. I am very thankful for it. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to check out Gold Flame. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting your name. His name will be in the description down below. I think this is it. Hold on one second. Yep, Gold Flame Diecast. Please remember to check out Gold Flame Diecast and the Car Collector. Thank you very much. Have a good day.